Hi, good morning. Nathan Goodrich, Operations Section Chief for Northwest Team 3. I'm going to give you your morning update for the Labor Mountain Fire. So did not observe very much growth on the fire last night, other than just a little bit of backing down the slope in a few areas. Yesterday, the crews were able to back the fire down off the ridge here to this 9703 road, which is the Stafford Creek Road. And so that's looking really good. And then in this stand-up creek as well, they were able to hold this road and burn this down. So there's a nice little corner on this, little catcher's mitt on this southwest corner. The crews are going to continue working on some prep work here in Stafford Creek, and then where it changes to Bear Creek at the end of the road and along this trail. Get this up to this main ridge here, and this is a very rocky ridge, and so that's going to be a good southern boundary and then kind of a southeast or easterly boundary over here on this side. Over on the Division Charlie side, up in the Teanaway cabin area and those other rec residences that are up there, the prep work continues. That's looking really good. They progressed up to 108 right here, drop point 108, and they're going to continue working up the Beverly Road and then up this road here with continued prep and any structure protection, infrastructure protection signs and trailheads and that kind of thing. So that's going really well over here. Resources are working hard at that. Division Gulf we inserted due to the fact that the fire did come across the ridge line here. It's just barely into Chelan County, and so it's more for us as far as having a mnemonic on the map as far as a designator, a geographic location for where we're going to be doing some operations maybe in the future. But that division's looking at this private land over here to the east, any of the structures that are over at Old Blewett Pass, down at the bottom of NTN, and that's all precautionary. There's no risk to those resource or values at risk at this time. But that's what Division Gulf's going to be working on there. So. Looking at some other opportunities if needed here in this Jack Creek area, also over at Old Blewett Highway, and then again the Miller Ridge Trail and some of those other trails, Beverly, and going up towards Earl Peak, and just kind of looking at some of those other trail opportunities if potentially needed in the future. So fire's behaving pretty well. We might see some growth in this area today as it potentially does a little bit of a slope reversal as it's backing around through there, but well within the lines and moving away from any values at risk. So we do have our forward operating base set up down just outside of Cle Elum, so the resources are down there and out of the town of Cle Elum now, and so that's a good thing for them. They're well supported, and that helps them to stay well rested and fed and get all the good hard work done out here on the grounds. So that's your morning update for Labor Mountain. Thank you.